This is the surround view camera retrofit for this F25 LCI X3. So later we will mount this front camera over here. Yeah, over here. Okay. And we have make the mirror camera on the left hand side, and this one on the right hand side. Okay. Yeah, two camera, three camera. Now the last reverse camera is over here. Okay. Let's go inside the car. We are from Singapore, from LBS. Yeah, turn on the surround view camera for me. Oh yeah, the door is. Lock the door. Yeah, you see. All the doors are still open, so this camera image is still messy. But once we close the door, it will be perfect. Reverse camera, please. Yeah, it's a normal reverse camera, perfectly. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.